Hey everyone, want to back up your photos to Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to upload and protect your photos using Mega step by step. Yeah, keeping a cloud backup of your pictures helps protect your memories from accidental deletion, device damage, or storage problems. First, open the Mega app on your phone or the Mega desktop app on your computer and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Mega account before starting the backup. If you're using a mobile device, open the Mega app settings and look for the camera uploads or photo backup option. This feature can automatically upload new photos from your device. Enable camera uploads and choose your preferred backup settings. You can select whether to upload photos only over Wi-Fi or use mobile data as well. If you're using a computer, open the Mega desktop app and create a sync folder for your photos. Select the folder containing your pictures and connect it with a folder in your Mega cloud storage. Next, add your photos to the selected folder. Mega will automatically upload and sync the images with your cloud account. Larger photo collections may take some time depending on your internet speed. You can monitor the upload progress from the Mega app or desktop application. Wait until the backup is complete before removing photos from your device. To check your backup, open Mega Cloud Storage and confirm that your photos are available. So you can access your pictures from other devices whenever you need them. For better organization, create separate folders for different years, events, or photo categories. This makes finding your backed up images much easier, and that's how you back up photos to Mega. With automatic cloud backups, you can keep your important pictures safe and access them from almost anywhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.